guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have an OCEANISTA box. I love these boxes. These are beach themed quarterly boxes, and they're always just beautifully curated. So I have opened this one to play with the stuff just a little bit. This one is the Come Sail Away box, and this is summer of 2020. So let's just go ahead and go through our little pamphlet here, and I can tell you all about everything in the box. So this was packaged really beautiful, everything like tied up in bows and everything, and of course I destroyed it, so sorry about that. Okay, so the first thing in here is this little guy, which comes in a cute little bag, but it's actually a wrap. What do they call this? The cotton tassel wrap. I feel like this is something that we've gotten several times, this style of thing where it's got kind of the slit in the middle so that you can wear it over your shoulders like this, and then it just kind of drapes lovely like this. And then you can use it as a bathing suit cover up or just a shawl kind of a thing. You know, it's just nice to have a little extra fabric sometimes as a cover up, or, you know, like, I don't know, a windbreaker on those evenings when it gets a little bit chilly. I always bring stuff like this with me in the summertime because you never know when you're gonna walk into a place that's super air conditioned, or, you know, it's hot during the day, but then at night it gets a little bit chilly and you can kind of wrap yourself in something like this. Plus it's just really cute. So they did have several different colors that you could choose from. So I chose this one, which I really like. It's kind of festive too with the red, white, and blue there. I didn't even realize it had red on it, but very cute, right? The next thing is from their featured artisan, Kristin Royster, with Set Sail by Kristin. And she makes all of these beautiful little things. It's got a little picture, and she's got earrings and what looks like maybe coasters and dishes and things. So everybody got a bracelet, but you got to choose the vegan leather cord, the color of the cord that it was on. So I chose the grayish one, which was like fog or something. And these stretch out to a 9-inch circumference. I just think this is so, so cute. I'm wearing jewelry from past boxes too. Okay, look how cute this is, isn't it? I'm sorry, I'm trying to focus here. Isn't this cute? I just love it. It's so pretty, and it's one of those things that you could just wear all of the time. Like, I've been wearing this yellow one too. Drunk Elephant sent me this one for my birthday. I was really excited about that. So now I have two little tied on things. I love it. I think it's so cute, so pretty. The next thing is this cute little hat. Isn't this adorable? I love it. And it has a wire rim, so you can kind of, you know, shape the outside of it if you want. Also, it's good for travel, so that if it gets smushed in your suitcase or something, you can just, you know, bend it back out and it's not a big deal. I have other wide-rimmed hats that don't have that, so you can't smush them, you know? So it's nice that this one is smushable. Plus, if you have a tiny noggin, unlike my giant head, it has straps in here that you can tighten, so it's a bit adjustable that way. Which I thought was really cute. Super cute, right? And then we have some flip-flops, and these were another color option. I'm super excited to have these. I love these. They're a little bit on the heavy side, and I feel like the bottom of them is a bit narrow, so if you have narrow feet, that would be nice. But then there's plenty of room this way, so that for me, they feel like they fit really nicely, but this is a little bit loose, which actually makes them more comfortable. So these are gonna be great for the beach. You can wear them in the water, and you know, they're just all rubber, which is nice, because I have other flip-flops that when the cloth gets wet, it just irritates my feet. So I like this kind for wearing to the beach, you know, or just around town, whatever, and they're cute. And you got to decide colors, so they had like a beigey one with a blue strap. These are navy with a blue strap, or a beigey one with a gold strap. I love that they give you color options. That's so nice. And then we got some skincare. This one is an organic face oil, onboard organic skincare. And I'm really excited to try this. I tried it on the back of my hand and it did not soak in very well, but that's okay. I love facial oils, and usually what I do is I mix a couple of drops in with a serum or moisturizer and blend it together and put it on my face before bed. So I think using it that way, it would work better, at least for me, because it didn't seem to soak into my skin right away, although I could have used more than necessary as well. It really only takes a couple of drops. And it has, let's see, it's got grapeseed oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, evening primrose oil, aloe vera, apricot kernel oregano oil, and vitamin E. So lots of good, wonderful things. It's supposed to help with acne and anti-aging and just general moisturizing. And it's specifically made for sensitive skin, which is nice. And then this one, also from Onboard Organic Skincare, is Beach Bliss Organic Body Scrub. This smells really, really good. And it is a sugar scrub. And it has some eucalyptus in it, which will help clear your sinuses. Plus it has pink grapefruit, which will help fight body acne. And they say to use it, you know, a couple times a week, no more than that. I love body scrubs. They're just so great, especially in the summertime for getting rid of dry, rough skin and prepping for shaving or even fake tanner, that kind of thing. I love body scrubs, and this one smells really good. And then this super cute little mug, Wine Not. I actually have a very similar mug. It might even be from Swig. I have a bunch of things from Swig, and it's my all-time favorite coffee mug. I use it like every morning. This is great for hot beverages, but it's also good for cold beverages because it will keep things cool. I think it's like for up to 9 hours or something, or hot for up to 3, and it's just super cute. I love the shape and style of it. Every time I use my other one, which is just plain gold, I get so many compliments on it because it's just a nice size and shape. So I'm really excited to have this one. I think it's really cute. Plus I love the Wine Not, very sailor wino appropriate, right? And then as always, there is a recipe in this book. This one is for a summer Cobb salad, which looks like your basic Cobb, except that it has raspberries and blackberries in it, which looks so super yummy. I love a good salad, and I almost always get Cobb salads when I go out because they're delicious. It'll be fun to have the berries in the salad, right? Anyway, I love OCEANISTA boxes. They're always so well made, just beautifully, beautifully curated. So I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check it out. I love it. Such a great box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!